Oops. All right, how about I say cupcake?
Cupcake.
Okay, now we're going to try a new technique, okay? Just say cupcake. Put your fingers on the front of your tongue. Now say cupcake.
Cupcake.
Very good.
She can say the K sound. And she's only
Now.
3 years old.
Can you do it without your fingers?
Cupcake.
Oh, no. Tough date. Try with your fingers.
Cupcake.
Cupcake. Very good.
Cupcake.
Okay, now do it without your fingers.
Cupcake.
Tough date. Cupcake.
I can't sit still, Addie's
Cupcake.
Cupcake.
try without your
Can you do
fingers. Addie.
Cupcake without your fingers?
Cupcake.